The 1937 National Apprenticeship Act governs the formal registered apprenticeship system in the US. However, this legislation has not been substantially updated in over 80 years, making it less adaptable for many growing industries such as healthcare and technology. While apprenticeships have a long history in the US, they have yet to be widely adopted outside trades like construction and utilities. Harvard researchers estimated that apprenticeships could be expanded from 27 to 74 occupations, potentially filling up to roughly 3.2 million jobs. In 2023, the US Department of Labor's Office of Apprenticeship counted almost 600,000 active apprentices, indicating growth but still highlighting their underutilization. Reasons for underutilization. Many Americans are unaware of apprenticeship opportunities beyond traditional trades. The perception that college is the only path to success often overshadows apprenticeships. Apprenticeships are sometimes seen as a second-tier option compared to a college degree. We need to change this perception and highlight the value of hands-on skills and applied learning. Apprenticeships are not well integrated with the broader education or workforce training ecosystem. Updating the National Apprenticeship Act and promoting collaboration between employers, educational institutions, and apprenticeship programs is crucial. According to the US Department of Labor, 94% of apprentices who complete their programs are retained long-term by their employers. Furthermore, 87% of apprenticeship sponsors strongly recommend registered apprenticeship programs. Apprenticeships provide a pathway to quality jobs while also meeting employers' needs for a skilled workforce. In the European Union, apprenticeships are more widespread and accepted. European Union countries have robust apprenticeship systems that cover a wide range of industries, including technology, healthcare, and finance. Young Europeans often choose apprenticeships as a viable alternative to college, gaining practical skills and earning while learning. Registered apprenticeship programs. The US Department of Labor oversees the registered apprenticeship system, which provides structured training and on-the-job experience for various occupations. In fiscal year 2021, over 241,000 new apprentices entered the National Apprenticeship System, with more than 593,000 apprentices actively participating. These programs cover a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, information technology, and construction. Success Stories Apprenticeship.gov features success stories from across the country, highlighting how apprenticeship has positively impacted workers' lives and benefited employers. These stories showcase real-world examples of apprentices who have gained valuable skills and employers who have found a reliable talent pipeline. High school apprenticeship programs. Some U.S. companies collaborate with high schools to offer apprenticeship programs. For instance, high school students commit to working part-time while in school, with the option to join the company upon graduation. Research shows that 3/4 of employers are satisfied with their trainees, and 2/3 of apprentices go on to college or pursue a career. Industry-specific programs. Various industries have successful apprenticeship initiatives. For example, in manufacturing, companies like Siemens and BMW have established robust apprenticeship programs in the US. In healthcare, hospitals and healthcare organizations offer apprenticeships for roles such as medical assistants, pharmacy technicians, and surgical technologists. In information technology, tech companies often provide apprenticeships for software developers, network administrators, and cybersecurity specialists. To unlock the full potential of apprenticeships in the US, we must raise awareness about apprenticeship opportunities, address misperceptions, and promote the value of hands-on learning, and integrate apprenticeships more effectively into our education and training ecosystem. Remember that apprenticeships offer a valuable alternative to traditional education, allowing individuals to gain practical skills while earning wages. If you're interested, explore the available programs and find the one that aligns with your career goals. Thank you for watching, and remember that apprenticeships can be a powerful tool for building a stronger, more inclusive economy. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, Share and subscribe to help Morgansoft keep providing quality videos for you. Also, your comments are not just welcome but encouraged, so that the community will understand your thoughts on this subject. Thank you, and see you in the next video.